Exciting news, Google is rolling out the January 1st, 2026 security patch for your Pixel device. I am super excited. This is our first update for the new 2026 year. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. I'm going to show you how to download it, how to install it, and what it comes with. So let's get started. All right, so first up, if you have a Google Pixel device, I have the 10 Pro XL here. You can go into your settings application. I'm going to show you how to do this. All you're going to do is go into your phone, swipe down, go into your settings, scroll down until you get to System. You'll go ahead and click on System. Once you click on System, you're going to look for Software Update, and you should see it right there. You'll click on Software Update. It will show you what your current update is at. Right now, I am at the December 5th, 2025 security patch. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna click on that System Update button, and it's gonna go out and see if there is an update. Right now it says, I am up to date. Don't believe the phone. Click that button right there. Usually that will pull the update. It doesn't always do it. It doesn't look like I have it right now. So it is rolling out right now. What that means is that Google is rolling it out over the next week. So I am filming this on Tuesday, January 14th. This will most likely come out by Friday if you haven't already gotten it. So don't worry, it's coming, I promise. What we're gonna do is go over, once you do the update, we're gonna go over what's new with the update. So anytime that you get a new update on your Pixel device, first of all, if you're new to Pixel devices, let me tell you something. You got one of the best phones out there because Google makes Android and we get updates every month from Google. All right. So just taking a quick look, this is going to cover the Pixel 7a all the way up to the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. So if you have a 7a, a 7, an 8, a 9, a 10, you're covered. All right, so let's take a look at what we're getting. Right now, it looks like we're getting a bunch of bug fixes. Bug fixes are good. We like bug fixes. First bug fix, audio. They recommend they fixed a noisy ringback tone experience when using WebEx. So if you're using WebEx and you're experiencing this, do the update on your phone. That should fix it. Okay, how many of you love good battery life? I don't know about you, but I love good battery life. And with this update, we get an update for battery that fixes battery drain. So this says that it fixes an issue with battery draining in certain conditions. This is going to be a theme throughout the video. Google says certain conditions. They don't tell you what the conditions are, but certain conditions. So that means that it will fix it depending on what you're doing. I'm going to hopefully see some improvement in battery drain. Not that I've had a really bad battery experience with the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, but it can always be better. Next up, we have display and graphics. It looks like we've got 3 updates. The first one, it says, is for the AOD flickering under certain conditions. So if you're always on display, has a flicker, this update should fix that under certain conditions. Next, we have the noisy lines flashing on the screen when you're editing in the Adobe Lightroom app. So if you use Adobe Lightroom for any type of editing and you've been experiencing some issues on your Pixel device with lines flashing on the screen, it's supposed to fix that. The last one is general improvements for the GPU performance. So one thing that's come out lately that there's been a lot of talk about is the GPU performance, specifically trying to run intense games on your Pixel device. I am currently running the QPR 3 Beta 1 on my Pixel, and I can tell you I can run Genshin Impact with no problem with the highest settings. No frame drops. No kidding. This is supposed to fix that. Next up, we have a touch issue, which I am excited to see because I have a screen issue where when I touch something on the screen, it doesn't always respond. This says it fixes the issue with the touchscreen randomly stopping under certain conditions. There it is, under certain conditions. User interface fixes an issue where deleting a live universe wallpaper could occasionally crash the Wallpaper and Style app and become unusable until you reboot your device. So if you had this issue, that should be fixed. So I'm hoping to get this update by the end of the week to check it out. It doesn't look like we're getting any new features, unfortunately. But like I said, if you have a Google Pixel device, definitely keep it up to date. Security is a big thing these days, and you want to keep that phone updated. Anyway, let me know in the comments below if you're enjoying the video, number one. Number two, are you updating your device on a regular basis? I want to know. Next thing, if you are updating, what is the one update that is really working for you for January 2026? So if you're not familiar with Pixel devices and updating, I've done several videos. If you click up here, I'll leave a card so you can check that out. It will show you step by step how to install the update, all the different steps you need to do. Big thing is make sure that you update your applications anytime you get an update. There's usually going to be some updates available for those, especially if you want those new features from Google. Well, that's all I got for you today. I really appreciate you watching. Make sure to give us a thumbs up, consider subscribing to the channel, and click that bell notification so you're updated when new videos get uploaded. As always, I appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.